Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in this video, we are going to see a Java program to display every digit of given number in words. So whatever the number we take, we should pull out every digit and display it in words. Like example I have given here, if the input number is 245, then the output should be 245. That is in words. TWO2, FOUR4 and FIVE5. So we have to pull out every digit and we have to display in words. That's the main task of this video. Let us start writing the program. In Eclipse, let us create a new class. Let me take the name of the class as display words with main method inside. What is the task of this program? To display every digit of the given number in words. Like example, if our input is 245, then the output should be in words TWO2, FOUR4 and FIVE4. This is the task for us. Now, in order to accept the input, go with import statement. Import java.util.scanner class. In main method, create object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. Now go with the message. Enter a number. We'll say int number equal to s dot next. Now after we accept the number, whatever the number we have taken, we have to reverse this number initially. So for that, let us take a variable int reverse equal to 0 initially. In the last video, I have shown how to do the reverse of given number. Please watch that video, how to reverse the given number. Now take the loop while number not equal to 0. Now find the reverse. What's the formula? Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus n mod 10. Number mod 10. Then say number equal to number by 10. So this loop will give the reverse for us. So for example, if you take the number as 245, after this while loop, the value of reverse will be 542. What is the number we have taken? After this while loop, the value of reverse will be 542. What is the need of doing this? I should go to this last digit and we have to display in words. So first we have taken 245. So first I should print 2, then 4, then 5 in words. So for that reason, first we have to reverse it so that I can take the last digit and display in words. Now after this while loop, the reverse is what? 542. Now again take the loop while reverse not equal to 0. Reverse not equal to 0. Then now take one digit from the given reverse. So how to take the remainder? Let us take the variables like remainder. Let us take a variable remainder. Now write here remainder equal to reverse mod 10. So here reverse is 542. When you say 542 mod 10, what value it's going to take here? 2. So what is the value of remainder here? 2 for us. So remainder equal to 542 mod 10, which is going to pull out the last digit 2. Now check here. Now use the switch statement. Switch off R. Switch off R. If the reverse, not reverse here, remainder. If it is 0, then we'll display system.out.print 0. We'll print what here? 0. Then break. Case 1. Then we'll print system.out.print 1. Like that, we need to do up to 9 digits. Let me copy this and paste over here. Case 2. If the remainder is 2, then we will print here 2. Case 3, 3. Like that we need to do for every digit. 4, 4. 5, 5. Then 6, 6 here. For every digit we need to display in words. So what we have done here, first initially we have taken the number from user, then we have to reverse that number. Then once you reverse the number, then again we have to pull out one digit from the reverse and take one digit and check in which case the digit value and display that digit in words. 0 to 9 we have to display. That's it. So what is the remainder we got here? 2. So it matches with the 2. Then it's going to display 2 for us. Next again, after this switch, again say now reverse equal to reverse by 10. So when you say reverse by 10, what is the value of reverse? We got 542. What is 542 by 10? Reverse equal to 542 by 10, where we get 54. Now again loop repeats. Loop repeats 54 not equal to 0. Again it's true. Then remainder equal to 54 mod 10, where we get 4. Now what is the value of remainder here? Are 4. So which matches with this case? 4. So here initially we got 2. Now we are going to get 4 here. Then again reverse equal to reverse by 10. So 54 by 10, which is 5. Again the loop repeats. 5 not equal to 0. Yes. Again remainder 5 mod 10, which is 5. Which is what here? 5. Then switch off R. R value is what? 5. So it matches with this case 5. Then it's going to display 5 for us. Then again reverse equal to reverse by 10, which is 5 by 10, 0. 0 not equal to 0, false comes out. So what is output we are going to get? Inverse 2, 4, 5. Now let us run this code. Right click and say run as Java application. Go with the number 245. So it is displaying C 245. Let me run the code again. Let us go with 578. See, we are getting C 578. So this is very important program during interview times. Please practice this code. That's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.